What's up, Herd? We've had a fantastic last couple days in the crypto markets. If your bags are not packed, you are severely missing out right now. Let's get on into the charts, guys. Let's start with the big daddy, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is respecting this upward trending line of support, guys. We did bounce off of it, almost wicked below it yesterday, but it is going along with this MA here. So I do think as long as we can stay above this, we were going to go to the upside. And I do think, just macro view, guys, I think Bitcoin and those investing in it are waiting to hear back about the labor market, which is due out on Friday. We'll see what the American unemployment numbers are if we hit 4.1, or if we stay at 4.1, go down to 4.0, I think we'll be in good hands there, and likely we'll see 100,000 for Bitcoin very shortly afterwards. But if we go up or drastically down, we will have a little bit of a shakeout in the crypto market before heading towards the upside again. If you guys see the price dip below this line, be careful, as we could be coming down as far as 90,000 on Bitcoin. But as long as we're above this line here, currently sitting around $95,000, I do think we're in a uptrend. So looking at the 2-week chart, as far as liquidity, guys, we obviously have the most amount of liquidity above the price now, most of which is at $99,000 all the way up to almost $100,000. And the price is likely to be a magnet towards that over the next couple of days, especially if we get good labor data in the US. Taking a closer look at the 24-hour chart, I do see some long liquidity that could be a magnet for the price, though I do think since we're heading to the upside right now, if we can break out above 97,000, guys, I do think we'll hit this pocket of liquidity around 97,840, which should send us back up towards $99,000. Ethereum up 3.67% today, but also from the lows of yesterday up almost 7.5%, guys. Doing a fantastic job heading to the upside, actually at highs right now for the last couple of months. But the highs for this year are actually around $4,100. And if we can see price breakout around 3,900, guys, I do think we'll break through that zone very, very quickly. Whale money flow continues to bounce off this upward trending line of support, which we have seen over the last couple of weeks, guys. And currently whale money flow is flowing back into the Ethereum price, which is fantastic to see. Ethereum ETF flows have also been very, very high over the last couple of weeks. BNB absolutely crushed it yesterday, going back to all-time highs. The previous all-time high was set back in June at $709. And what an odd place to be, June, when nothing else was making all-time highs, and then came crashing back down all the way to $450. Well, yesterday it went above $730, and today is sitting at $774, has seen highs as high as almost $800. That's a 25% move in just 24 hours. Solana continuing to retrace. I do think, though, guys, we have seen the bottom of this current move with whale money flow bouncing off of support here down at the bottom, and we are heading back up currently, sitting at around $233 for each single Solana. So we went back up to all-time highs yesterday after having a short downtrend over the last couple of weeks. It is retracing at the moment, but I do think if everything else continues to the upside, SWI will likely continue past its all-time high at $3.90. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, guys, we had a great move on Trunk yesterday, up 5.5%, which is great to see over the last 24 hours. I know that BT is starting to move things, and I do think we should see some Medium articles come out today and possibly tomorrow. First and foremost is going to be the transition from futures to the Unlimited 2.0 minting contract, and then we'll see staking of those NFTs and the marketplace drop within a couple hours of each other in the next couple of days. Elephant Money making a strong move over the last 24 hours as well. We made a move of 18.5% in the last 24 hours, currently up 15% from the price yesterday. Taking a look at BTC dominance continues to plummet, guys. We're sitting at about 55% dominance right now, which is still rather high. We still have plenty of room to go down on this, but I do expect to see a bounce somewhere in this neighborhood, as this looks to be a very strong support range for the BTC dominance. And whale money flow coming very strong out of Bitcoin into the alts, guys, as we're having a mini alt season right now. And though I do think the alt season could last a couple of months, I do think it's time for BTC to make another move in the next couple of days. If you haven't packed your elephant money bags or haven't bought any profits back yet, make sure to DCA back into Trunk, guys. We should see a massive move with this transition from futures to the Unlimited 2.0 contract, especially with the fees generated inside of the market. And again, in Trumpet staking, the mechanism overall will be to stake your NFTs, gain some yield in the form of Trunk, which will be transported to Trumpet first. It's a 5% in and a 5% out, guys, which brings the ratio of Trunk to Trumpet up every single time there's a transaction, which for anybody holding Trunk inside of Trumpet, guys, this is going to multiply your bags significantly. If you've got some BNB sitting on the sidelines, guys, and it's hitting all-time highs right now, it'd be a great time to move some of that BNB into Trunk on the BNB chain. Or if you've got a stockpile of Solana as it is reaching its all-time highs, guys, take some profits, throw it into Trunk as well, and then bridge it over to the BNB chain through the portal bridge to get into the Trumpet staking contract. All right, Herd, that's all I've got for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content just like this. We're just getting started in this massive altcoin season during this 2024-2025 bull run. If you haven't packed your bags yet, make sure to do so right now, especially in Trunk before it goes parabolic again. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you on Friday, and God bless.